The world can be pretty chaotic most of the time, especially when we don't have the tools to turn down the volume. Today, what we're going to do is talk about some of the rules to follow in order to facilitate more digital minimalism in our lives. The first rule of digital minimalism is accounting for how we start the day. Often we reach for our phones just as we wake up. And by doing that, we invite stress and the outside world to break into our quiet morning much too soon. We've got to set the day with a focus on reality, what's actually in our environment at the time. It's not the time to check the news, our emails, social media, or even text messages. This could require you to wake up earlier than you're used to. And it definitely requires you to have a location to store your phone in another room so that you can't access it easily right away. It also relies on us probably having a watch or an alarm clock in our rooms in order for us to wake up on time. Because I know a lot of us rely on our phones for our alarms, but it's really easy to get around that. Alarm clocks and watches can be really cheap. They're not going to require you to look at a screen right as you open your eyes in the morning. It's the beginning of the day. Treat yourself. The first thing you look at cannot be your phone. And similarly, the last thing you look at can't be your phone either. The last hour of your day before you're winding down to go to sleep, put away your phone. Don't bring your phone into your bedroom ever. Let your bedroom be a place of rest, a place to be grounded in the here and now. Your final hour of the day is just as precious as the first hour of your day. Don't lose this chance to check in with yourself before you go to sleep. During that last hour, you might do some writing about how your day has gone or read a book. Maybe just do both. In order to rest well, your mind and your body have to be relaxed when you get into bed. And our phones are certainly not conducive of this. So start and end your day with no screens, no social media, as little technology as possible. Check in with yourself, with the people around you, and prepare well for the day and for your rest at night. Hey, if you are liking this video, I'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. It helps the channel out, it helps me make more videos, and really appreciate it. Thanks. Only use social media that allows for at least some free will. Don't let yourself get into the position to be doom scrolling in the first place. No social media that has any scrolling or reels. That means Instagram, definitely TikTok, YouTube reels. Don't let yourself get caught in those. Don't use any social media on your phone. Only use it on your computer. You could also get a phone with a really small screen like the Cat S22 that I use. You really can't doom scroll on that thing. But bottom line, vow that you will not use social media that stops you from using your sense of free will. You should have the ability to choose what you are going to watch instead of just flipping through videos, not knowing what the next one will be, and not knowing how long you're going to be there for scrolling through this endless feed of nonsense. So if you haven't already, delete all your social media on your phone. Always have a clear idea of what you're going to be doing before you access any social media. This is going to help make sure that you don't get trapped watching videos and things that you didn't want to in the first place. Create more than you consume. There is so much that we can pay attention to. There really has never been this much information available so easily, ever, in our whole entire existence as humans. Creating has never been easier, and so many people are creating each day. It's just a lot easier to put our work out to the universe. It still can seem lopsided in how much content we consume each day versus how much we create each day. So after this video, go ahead and create something for 10 or 15 minutes. Make something for yourself, and make something you can share with others too. It could be just a doodle, or you could write down something important to you that I think others will resonate with too. Go ahead and make your own imprint on the world instead of just having the world imprint on you. Lastly, I'll leave you with more of a concept than a rule. Aim to be an optimistic contrarian. The world of humans is so concerned with drama, gossip, and overall believing that the world is a frightening place. But as someone who embraces the stimulus life, we are optimistic contrarians, or at least we welcome that into our lives by preparing each day to embrace more digital minimalism and grounding in reality. We can rely on our own creativity that is abundant in each of us. We believe that we can relax in silence. We can observe distractions before they take hold of us. And we can trust that boredom brings some of the best creativity there is. So I truly appreciate your time listening to this, and I hope that these tips can help you in your digital minimalism journey. I really appreciate each one of you, and I do this because of you, and I'm so excited for our next video. Please like and subscribe. We'll talk soon.